Is it possible to install a reverse camera on a MacBook Air?
Hello and welcome to our tech tutorial. Today, we're exploring an interesting question. Is it possible to install a reverse camera on a MacBook Air? A reverse camera, or a backup camera, is a special type of video camera that is specifically designed to help with backing up and to avoid any blind spot collisions. Let's delve into it.
Can you physically install a reverse camera?
The first thing we need to consider is the physical aspect of installing a reverse camera. MacBook Air laptops, like most portable computers, are designed to be compact and lightweight. This means there is very little room for modifications or additional components. Trying to add hardware to your MacBook Air like a reverse camera would be incredibly difficult without specialized knowledge and tools. Not only would it be challenging, but it could also void your warranty and potentially damage your computer. In conclusion, physically installing a reverse camera on a MacBook Air isn't feasible.
What about using an external reverse camera?
As physically installing a reverse camera isn't practical, you might wonder if you can use an external reverse camera. Technically, you could connect an external reverse camera to your MacBook Air through a USB port. However, this would require specific drivers and software to interface with the camera, which may not exist given that reverse cameras are usually designed for vehicles, not computers. Another alternative would be using your smartphone as a reverse camera and connecting it to your MacBook Air. There are apps that can turn your smartphone into a webcam. However, it's worth noting that this is a workaround and may not provide the seamless experience you might be seeking. So, can you install a reverse camera on a MacBook Air? While it's technically possible to connect an external camera or use your smartphone as a workaround, it's not practical or straightforward. Physically installing a reverse camera isn't feasible due to the MacBook Air's compact design and potential for damage. Remember, if you're trying to add functionality to your MacBook Air, it's always best to look for software solutions or approved hardware add-ons that are designed to work with your laptop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.